Have you ever looked at a credit card and thought, this just isn't flashy enough? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of neon cards. What are they, and why are they making waves in the financial world? Neon cards are a relatively new concept in the credit card industry. They're characterized by their distinctive, glowing neon accents. But it's not just about looks. Neon cards often come with unique features and benefits that set them apart from traditional credit cards. The appeal of neon cards. Visual appeal, let's face it, first impressions matter. Neon cards instantly grab attention with their vibrant, eye-catching design. Exclusivity, many neon cards are limited edition or come with exclusive perks, making them a status symbol for some. Unique features, neon cards often come with additional benefits like cashback, travel miles, or rewards points. Customization, some issuers offer customization options, allowing you to personalize your card to match your style. How do neon cards work? Neon cards function just like any other credit card. You can use them for purchases, withdraw cash, and manage your account online. However, the added visual element and potential for unique features make them a more exciting option for many. Popular neon card issuers. Issuer A, known for their sleek designs and generous cashback rewards. Issuer B, offers a variety of neon colors and exclusive travel perks. Issuer C, focuses on sustainability and eco-friendly materials in their neon cards. The future of neon cards. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and visually stunning neon cards. From holographic designs to interactive features, the possibilities are endless. Neon cards are more than just a pretty face. They offer a unique combination of style, functionality, and potential benefits. Whether you're looking for a statement piece or a credit card with added perks, a neon card might be the perfect choice for you. So, what do you think? Are neon cards the future of credit cards? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about specific neon card options, be sure to check out our links in the description. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.